Good morning. Now see the example, next example in 7.1. They are saying M is directly proportional to N. This one is symbol of variation. Alpha, Greek letter. Okay. So M is directly proportional to N. When M is equal to 154, that time N is equal to 7. Then they are asking us find M when N is equal to 40. Okay. So M is directly proportional to N. This one is our first step. Okay. Now for second step, we will use equal sign instead of symbol of variation. So for second step, I am using equal sign. M is equal to Kn. And without fail, I will write here. Instead of here, I will write here. K is constant. Okay. That explanation we have to give that what about this K? From where we got this K? That explanation we have to write that K is constant. Okay. Then now they are saying when M is equal to 154, that time N is equal to 7. So when if M is equal to 154, that time N is equal to 7. So we will substitute this value in this equation, and at first we will find out K, which is constant. Okay, so M 154 we are substituting in this second step. This one is first step. Okay, so 154 is equal to K into 7. Okay. When there is no sign in between, we are assuming it as multiplication. Now we want K. So send this 7 to this side. Multiplication will become division. That means 154 upon 7 is equal to K. Isn't it? So divide it. That will come as 22. 22 is equal to K. That means here we got constant. Value of constant as 22. Okay. Now, how will we write equation of variation? Okay, so see this second step. Substitute just value of K. Means M is equal to, okay, what's the value of K you got? 22 into N is equation, okay, equation of variation. Okay, complete that word, variation. Now M is equal to 22N is equation of variation. Now if N is equal to 14, then we have to find out M. Now substitute the value of N in this equation of variation. so that we can get m. So m is equal to VR when n is equal to what they have given, n is equal to 14. Okay, that time substitute the value in this equation of variation. What is it? M is equal to 22n. Okay, so in place of m as it is, we have to find out it. M is equal to 22, n is equation of variation. We will substitute this value of n as 14, means m is equal to 22 into 14. Okay, so do the multiplication. We can do the multiplication here. M is equal to 14 to the 28. Okay, 14 to the 28 plus that 2. So 308. So we got value of m as 308. Now see here what to do. At first, write using symbol of variation. Then for second step, skip this symbol of variation and use symbol of equal. But without fail write k and give explanation there that k is constant. Then substitute value of m and n and find out k, which is constant. Then write equation of variation. To write equation of variation, use this second step of equal sign. Okay, here substitute only value of k. See, here I substituted value of k as 22. In such way, I got equation of variation as m is equal to 22n. Okay, now they have given us n is equal to 14. Substitute that value of n in this equation of variation, this one. Okay, and find out m. Okay.